Being a student in 2025 is tough, but these 5 free AI tools can make it easier, faster, and way more productive. Whether you're writing essays, organizing notes, or prepping for exams, these tools have your back. First up, Grammarly. It's more than a spell checker. It fixes grammar, tone, clarity, and even suggests better wording for essays and emails, all in real time. Next, Notion.ai. Use it to summarize lecture notes, brainstorm ideas, or write reports inside your Notion workspace. It turns messy study notes into clean outlines with one click. Perplexity is your AI research assistant. Unlike Google, it gives you direct answers, backed with real sources. It's perfect for writing papers, finding facts, and saving time. Need to rewrite, or paraphrase something? QuillBot rephrases your text while keeping the meaning, great for polishing assignments or avoiding repetition. And finally, Otter.ai. It transcribes your classes or Zoom lectures automatically. You can listen, search, and highlight important points, no more writing notes by hand. These tools can help you work smarter, not harder, all for free. Subscribe to Gearbyte Media for more weekly AI tools, productivity hacks, and tech for students and creators.